Okay, guys, right here is KNX 1200. We had this set up about 3 days ago, okay, and it got triggered around here and gave us all this profit. At the initial stage, we actually highlighted four TPs for ourselves one, two, three, and this happened to be the last TP. But later on, we realized that it's going to do more, so we added three other TPs to it with our stop loss locking up a major part of the profits. Okay, and of course, these actually had a major pullback at this point and went back up again. So to give us more profit at that particular point. Okay, so right now it has gotten to another resistance zone. Okay, so guys, if you have been wondering how we are able to generate profitable signals like this, I will like you to sit tight and watch this video to the end because I'm going to reveal to you the exact strategy which I am using that is working for me. Okay, I've been using this strategy for over 2 years right now, and of course, guys, I have a good story about this strategy. Okay, so and I'm ready to reveal everything to you guys right here so that you too can generate profitable signals on your own. But before I do that, guys, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so, like I said, this is the next 1250 minute time frame. I got this setup. I got this signal and I quickly had this setup on it and we milked it until it got to this region. Right now, it is having a pullback, although it has gotten to this resistance zone already. It has achieved all my TP, so and I'm not having any trade going on right now. So, I'm just trying to see if it will start selling. So, it has gotten to this resistance zone and is having this pullback. Okay, so it is most likely for it to sell right from there, but I am expecting it to pull back a bit. Okay, and give me a kind of liquidity before I jump into it. That is the kind of signal I am actually waiting for right now. The reason for this is that this has actually been breaking out from most resistance zones. So I need to be sure if this is really going to sell. Okay, and if you should notice, if you should check out this points. Okay, this has been going back up right from the line. Okay, so I don't know if that is going to happen again. Okay, so even if I'm going to sell or if anyone is going to sell, then you should target the line. Okay, you should target the line. Okay, this particular line, you can sell till it get to this line, and of course allow it to break out before you can say you want to continue selling. Okay, so this is very, very important. So, like I said, I'm going to show you the strategy which I have been using. This is another setup which we had yesterday. Okay, we had this setup yesterday. So, if you followed up with my video, you should be milking this right now. Okay, this is Paynex 1250 minute time frame. I actually told you that this has actually got into the resistance zone, so we are waiting for it to give us the right trend signals. And I highlighted this that um this should activate. Okay, it gave us the downtrend signal at this point and of course the sell signal, and of course I said we should wait until it gets to this to trigger our entry point, and right here is going to be our stop loss. We are using a very small stop loss this time around because I'm actually expecting it to sell even though it had been on a very strong uptrend. Okay, so and the reason why I am a bit sure that it should sell is because this is kind of giving us a kind of head and shoulder at this point, and of course we've seen the liquidity already, and of course we are expecting it to break out from the to break out from the structure. Okay, so that we can have a proper selling opportunity. So it triggered our entry point and it has achieved our first TP. It achieved the first TP before having this pullback, and it went back down again and right now it has achieved the second TP and is almost achieving the third TP. All these TPs that has it has actually achieved are actually huge because this is spikes trading. This will have given you a lot of profit if you are actually in this trade. Okay, so this is the final TP that we are actually looking at. So we still have about three TPs to achieve right here. So you can see the benefit of trend trading strategy. If you are able to get it right, then you are most likely to be milking the market on daily basis, and you will not just be going into the market blindly. Okay, you will not just be trading blindly. You make sure you have a purpose before going into any trade. Okay, because you can easily read the charts on your own without asking any question from anybody. Okay, it is as simple as that. Here is another asset called Paynex 999. I decided to bring us here because we actually made this particular asset also for a very long time. Now, let me tell you this, guys. 3 days ago, I spotted this particular signal, and of course, I gave us this setup. Okay, this is the support zone, and I use it as the stop loss, and we got an uptrend signal at this point, and of course I gave us an entry point and highlighted some TPs for us, TP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last one is this, the seventh TP. This one is not there, this particular one is not there, so I'm going to delete it because I'm just supposed to have a single just one of this. Okay, so that is not there, so this is where it stops. Okay, so you can see we achieve all the TPs without any issue. Something happened, guys, something happened. Okay, sorry about that. Something happened, guys. This has actually got into the resistance zone and it has not been able to break out from there. We got a little liquidity around there, and of course, after that, it started selling. Okay, so what do you need to do? Okay, all this happened while we were sleeping anyway, so we were unable to follow up with that. So we also are highlighted the resistance zone and also highlights this particular um entry points probably somewhere here and have some TPs for ourselves. Probably we will have made some profits already. Okay, but this is still cool. Now let's see how we can go about it. This should have been our first TP. Second TP should be somewhere here. Like I said, it is the trend trading strategy. So the first step is to know the trend first. Okay. So once you are able to know the trend, then you will now see if you can still go into the trend and still make something from there. If you cannot, then wait for when the trend will switch from one trend to another. Okay, so when it is switching into a new trend, then you can now jump into it right from there. Okay, so like now this is changing into a new trend, and of course it is having a pullback right now. So let's see if the pullback will get to this region. If it get there and it gives us a a sell signal, then you can now come in at that particular point and follow all this TP down to here. Okay, so like now this has been on uptrend for a while, so it is switching into a downtrend at this point, and that is why you are seeing it this way. So now we are starting the trend right from the beginning. Let's see how far we will go. Our stop loss is there to help us to protect our capital. Okay, our entry point is there to give us a good entry point. Okay, and our TPs are there to give us lots of profit at the end of the day. So I think this is simple enough. Okay, so you just learn the strategy and you will get it right. Even if you will not be targeting this, at least you can target half of the TPs and you are good to go. It is a win-win opportunity for each and every one of us. I will be stopping right there. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Cash, and if you kindly subscribe to the channel right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you and God bless you.